So on my hike, I came to this path, and I wasn't sure if I should take the grassy path or the graveled path. It seems the graveled path is the one most have traveled, but I was intrigued as to what was down the grassy path. In this moment, I remembered the Robert Frost poem, and I thought if I knew how to analyze poetry, perhaps I'd be able to make the decision. However, permit me to wax poetic as I decide which path I'll take. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them rarely about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Robert Frost wrote this poem as a joke for his friend Edward Thomas, who had the hardest time making any decision. His friend must have been a Gemini, because I feel exactly that way many times about many things. Though I am a teacher of literacy, I do not consider myself to be poetic, but I do like reading poetry and trying to peel back the multiple layers, and I so enjoy figurative language. So, I am Gail. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.